up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if this is your first time here. My name is Deanna. In this video we are installing a wig. The wig that I'm using for this hairstyle is from Julia Hair. All the information for this hair will be in the description box below. So the wig that I'm using for this style is a 24-inch chocolate brown wig with like the blonde peekaboo highlights. And this wig is in 180 density. So this is what the hair looks like. Looks like this. It has the cute highlights in it. This is what the inside of the wig looks like. So it's a 13x4 frontal. Looks like this. Has your two combs at the sides, an elastic band here that's removable, and your comb at the back, and your adjustable straps and the lace as well. So let's go ahead and get into it. All right, so first and foremost, the wig cap is already installed. You already know, we don't have time for all that. So we already got this on. I'm probably gonna have to like size it up a little bit more because I feel like this part comes down a little bit too far, but that's fine. We can do that in a little bit. All right, so first things first is I'm taking my mineral makeup here. Child, I'm only using this because I ran out of my cream makeup and I have yet to buy any more cream makeup. So I'm just taking what I have and I'm just brushing it along the hairline here for this wig cap. I really hate powder makeup on my wig cap for this. One, like the powder seeps through and gets on my actual hair, and two, I just feel like the cream makeup just looks a lot better. And also, like, this is kind of like too light for my scalp a little bit, so my cream makeup was darker. I like a darker look for my scalp because I feel like that just looks better on me personally. So that's why I don't really like this, but you know, sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do. You don't always have the right materials, but you gotta make do with what you have. That is the moral of this video. No. So the next thing now is I'm gonna take my lace tint in the color dark brown. I got this from the beauty supply store. It was $9.99, which is a little high for some lace tint, but let's not talk about it. Anyway, so I'm gonna take the wig and I'm just gonna flip it inside out. And we're gonna give it a good shake and just spray it. And then I'm just gonna take my blow dryer and blow dry it. And I'm taking my scissors and I'm cutting off this extra lace in the back because I do not use it. All right, now it's time to glue down my wig, and I'm so excited because I'm using a new glue today. So I've been seeing everybody use the Erica J Hold Me Down. Oh, I got the small one, y'all, because I just want to try it out. But the Erica J Hold Me Down glue. So I'm using this. This is the watermelon adhesive one. I got the other one as well, but this is my first time trying any Erica J products. I keep hearing, really, like I heard a lot of people use it, but what did it for me is like when I saw Tay use it, I was like, oh, okay, let me try it out. So just gonna apply a couple dots. Ooh, it does smell like watermelon. And smooth this out. I'm gonna start with thin layers. So the bottle says to do anyway. Apply a thin layer to your skin only. So I'm not gonna put any on that wig cap. And now it's time to put it down. And now we're gonna wrap this down really tight for a bunch of minutes. Okay, so now that that has been like 10 minutes or so, and now it's time to cut this lace. 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 Cut this. Cut this lace. All right, so. So I decided I want to do a side part with this hair, so I'm going to do my edges like I'm doing a side part. So now I never like glue down the lace right here because of my long sideburns. The hair comes like all the way down. So I always have to go back and lay down my sideburns separately. And I just refuse to cut my sideburns. I just don't want to. And now I'm just taking my gel and my edge brush, and I'm just gonna swoop my sideburns like this. And then I'm gonna use the Erica J Glueless Grip Holding Spray and just put like on top of everything, and I'm gonna wrap my edges one more time. And now while my edges sit, I'm gonna go ahead and like do my part and everything, like fix out my part and like style the rest of my hair. Even though I don't think I'm completely done with my edges, because I may add some more like on the sides right here, but I just want to part my hair first. So I decided like a side part with this hair is really, really cute. I kind of already had my hair parted where I wanted it, but I'm just gonna straighten it up a little bit. And now I'm just gonna take my edge booster wax stick and just make my part like flat and defined. That I think my edges like here. And now this time for my edges over here, I'm using my Afoji Mousse. Alright, well while my edges sit, I want to just put some like light curls in this hair. Nothing too heavy. I just want to like, because I really just like how the hair falls naturally. This hair is really pretty to me. So I'm just going to put some light wand curls in it. Nothing too deep, nothing too crazy. Just something to give the hair like some body. Honestly, like I would keep it, I don't know why, but I would keep it like this. Honestly, like just brush through it and just keep it in its texture, but I just put some curls in it just to be cute. Okay, now that's done. Sorry, my camera died right as I was doing the last little curl, so that's why that part was cut out. But go ahead and unwrap these. I'm going to just finger through these curls here. And this is exactly what I wanted, just some like nice, cute, loose waves. Nothing too crazy. I don't even think I'm not even gonna cut any layers in this, like in the bang or anything. Like, I just want it to be as it is. I like it how it is. Last thing I'm just gonna do is take my little wax stick. Okay, well, not the last thing. It's a couple of finishing touches, but I'm just gonna take my wax stick and my hot comb. So like that. And then I'm gonna get my concealer. This is the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer in the color Neutral Tan. And I usually use this on my face. I do use this on my face, but I'm also just putting it on my part right here. Like that. I'm just taking some of this Firm Hold Spritz right here from Liquid Mousse to like melt the lace. And I want some dark makeup. I think I'm gonna take my lace tint and spray this. Since my lace tint is darker than my makeup. And just put like all along my hairline right here. But anyways, that is it. And this is this hair. It's super cute. I really like this hair. Like, the color is cute. It has a lot of body. The hair is really soft. I like the lace. The lace was really simple to work with. And it melted like really, really well. Yeah, like I had no complaints with this hair. Like, this is really cute. And this color is what's popping. And I love how you have like your Peekaboo highlights like right here. So I could do one of these. I'm rocking with it. This is cute. We'll see how this hair holds up after a couple days, because you know, whenever you saw hair first, like right away, of course it's super cute and you don't have any trouble. So I'll let you know how everything holds up. But for now, all the information for this hair will be in the description box below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Adios till next time.